As far as intraday levels are concerned, the bullish pivot for the Nifty spot is at 6,090 levels. Staying above this threshold, the primary target would be 6,200, and an extension off chance it could even go to 6,200 odd levels. On the other hand, should the bearish pivot of 6,075 be violated, the possibility of the 6,050 levels remains open on an intraday basis, calling for a good amount of volatility on an intraday basis. Looking at the kind of volatility and range expansion that I've seen in the market yesterday, I would rather play with defensive plays in the market in the pharma sector rather than bet on very high beta stocks, because high beta stocks in a market like this can cut both ways. So I would basically want to go with Sun Pharma and GlaxoSmithKline Pharma rather than go in for very high beta stocks. In the future space, I would want to short the May futures of Kane at marginal advances to 298.5. I would hold these short positions show initiated with a stop loss at 301.5, and I would expect to book profits at 294 or end of the session, whichever comes first. A word of caution here: after the kind of volatility that one saw yesterday, I would want to initiate all fresh trades on kind of curtailed exposure levels, because the possibility of whipsaws remains high in a market like this.
Nifty for the day needs to stay above 6107. Resistance comes in at 6196 and 6246. Support at 6057, 5968. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 12,940 and CNX IT above 6350. India Bulls, BTST from yesterday, India Bulls Real Estate was a buy with a stop of 76, target of 88. JSW Energy was a buy with a stop of 62, target of 74. Sun TV was a buy with a stop of 435, target of 462. Kotak Mahindra, fresh calls. Kotak Mahindra is a buy with a stop of 760, target of 790. Mahindra and Mahindra is a buy with a stop of 974, target of 1010. Yes Bank is a buy with a stop of 520, target of 545. Apollo Hospital is a buy with a stop of 950, target of 1020. Amtech India is a buy with a stop of 95, target of 118. And IndusInd Bank is a buy with a stop of 507, target of 535.
I have a buy in JP Associates, stop loss 74.50, target 81. A buy in LIC Housing Finance, stop loss 255, target 270. A buy in Sun TV, stop loss 432, target 451. And a buy in Bank of Baroda, stop loss 715, target 753.